Did you know that the beautiful colors of wildflowers are actually a deadly evolutionary trap? Evolution is not a myth. It is an endless, continuous process happening right in front of your eyes every single second. Humans did not evolve directly from monkeys. This is a brilliant biological trick for survival. Flowers manufacture special bright pigments purely to hijack the vision of insects. Once these bugs are blinded by the colorful illusion, flowers successfully exploit them to spread their DNA across the planet. Do you have the curiosity to unlock the dark secrets around you? Like, subscribe, and follow Fact Spooky right now. See you tomorrow.